Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be looking at the fastest way to remove audio from our video. We won't be wasting more time, so we'll be using our phone to remove this audio from our video. So if you're creating content and you want to quickly remove audio from your video, you can actually put the video in your phone and quickly remove the audio out. So we'll be using the app called CapCut. Here is it on my screen. We'll be using this app. So if you don't have the app already, go into Play Store for Android users and iStore for iPhone users to download this app. So once you've downloaded the app, what you should do, we'll open it where it says new project. We click on new project to import the project we want to work on. Once we've seen the project we want to work on, we import it. Now we want to remove the audio from this video. So before we do that, depending on what resolution your video is, you might need to set it before you continue what you're doing. So we'll come here and we'll see 720p, which is the standard resolution for YouTube videos and TikTok videos, depending on what you're creating content for. But some people like to create their videos in a higher quality before uploading it to the site. So I create my video with 1080p. I actually make videos with my phone. I record with my phone, so I shoot on a frame rate of 30 frame rates. So depending on what frame rate you are working on your phone setting or your camera setting, you can actually get the settings here. So once you've gotten the settings out of the way, these are the settings I work with. You go back up, and the aim is to remove the audio from this video. So quickly, let's play the video so you could see it has audio. What do you see that? Now let's remove the audio. You just click on here, mute clip. As easy as that. You play again, there is no audio. So quickly you export. Why I like CapCut a lot is that you can quickly export your video. You don't have to wait for it to take forever to export. You click on export here, this arrow that facing up, you click on it, and voila, your video is exporting. Do you see that, how quick that was? Let's preview and see whether it has audio. There is no audio. This is so easy peasy. So this is the fastest way to remove audio from your video. You don't need to wait to import it here, put it here, put it here. This is the quickest way I've found recently to remove audio from my video. So thank you so much for watching, and check out this video here.